So I was scrolling through YouTube the other day and was finding for ideas that I can actually put it in a long video format. And I got a notification from Apple saying that there is a WWDC. Me, as always, I was expecting iOS 17 and maybe a MacBook, which came out to be the 15-inch MacBook Pro, which is interesting because 15-inch is mid-tone from the big one and not that small too. So it's in the middle. Let's not talk about that and let's continue. So I was expecting some Macs sort of. Well, I was wrong. Okay, introducing the scuba diving helmet. Yeah, scuba diving helmet from Apple. Let me correct myself. The Tech Scuba Diving Goggles, or as Apple says it, Apple Vision Pro. The first thing that I thought when Apple just said Apple Vision Pro is the thing that I thought that where is Apple Vision? Not the Pro version, the normal version. I mean, there should be a normal version before the Pro version comes out, right? And what is Apple Vision? Glasses with with lenses on it, maybe. So what are these googly eyes things? Yeah, a scuba diving kit. Maybe you can go under the water. Apple did say you can go into virtual environments, which is interesting. And so you can go under the water without actually having to go under the water, which is interesting from my side of view. So that's Apple's scuba diving kit, Apple Vision Pro. So what do I have to say about this? So Apple always jumps in the game the most late they can possibly can. Okay, like from the starting of customizations on display and everything. Apple just did that, I think, last year, and seemingly they take too much time to bring everything on, like the action mode. That's like Android had done it way before, but it wasn't the best. But Apple always does the best and the most latest. Yeah. So Apple brings stuff to the market like Apple Vision Pro or spatial computing. Spatial computing technically means that it's AR glasses in that sense, not fully metaverse type thing, but they are AR glasses. That means augmented reality. Your reality plus an Apple's twist for your reality, like the apps gallery and so and such. I'm not sure why would you look gallery photos. I mean, unless it's 3D captured, you're not gonna look your gallery photos in an augmented reality. And from my perspective of view, if you know, I run a design channel, the studio, and on Instagram we run my own design page, Salman Creates. I think we'll be changing that name. For now, it is there. And both of them, I do video editing, and there's no difference about video editing in Apple Vision goggles, which might change the market. I mean, I don't want to keep wearing that thing. I'd rather drink coffee and do my work. And that thing really doesn't help you drink coffee, does it? Yeah, it doesn't. So that's all from Apple Vision Pro. This is the part that you don't really listen from other YouTubers, because I want to stand out, and you listening the thing over and over again from other YouTubers is gonna be interesting. So the scuba diving kit, yeah, it's pretty futuristic, but is it really practical? I think for majority of people who can afford 3,000, I mean, it is practical. Quick thing, just after recording this whole video, I just got to know it has 2 hours of battery life, which sucks in my presence. And 2 hours comparing to their competitors, which is like Oculus has like $400 and this is 3,500. You're better off with an Oculus than an Apple product. If you're an Apple fan, it's your wish, but then still, I think Oculus would do a better job than Apple's. But then, yeah, 400 versus 3,500, 2 hours battery life with more than 200 hours battery life. Your choice, but I feel like Oculus has the better hand in the market right now. who cannot afford 3,000, it's pretty unpractical for them. Anyways, it's about living the life that you want to do. So, if you want to buy it, buy it. I'm not saying nothing, but it's really unpractical. And also, stay techie.